Welcome back this afternoon. Angie Horkan is on the News 3 Now patio with this week's recipe from the Wisconsin Beef Council.
Hi Josh, I'm back with another foil pack recipe for you. It's perfect for camping, for tailgating, but you can definitely make them at home in the oven too, or your gas grill or charcoal grill. Very versatile. So start with some heavy duty aluminum foil. This is gonna make, it calls for 2 pounds of ground beef. It's a hamburger packet meal, foil pack meal. It calls for 2 pounds of ground beef to make a 1/3 pound burgers into 6 packets, but I like doing 1/4 pound burgers because they're plenty big enough. So this recipe will actually make 8 packets. So I've got 1 pound of ground beef here, and I'm gonna make kind of show you half of the recipe. And then I've got some Yukon Gold potatoes, probably about 3/4 of a pound. The recipe calls for 1.5 pounds. I just took them, washed them, and quartered them. The recipe calls for frozen carrots, kind of sliced, crinkle cut carrots, but you could definitely use fresh carrots. A couple large ones would be perfect. And then we're gonna do some garlic powder. Ooh. Garlic powder, some black pepper, and some kosher salt. Then the onions goes on top. So I'm gonna mix this all together. This is gonna be the bed. Put your veggies down below your burger, because actually these veggies take a little bit longer to cook. So you want them closer to the flame. And I usually don't flip my hamburger packets. I keep that burger on top the whole time. Now, a nice medium to low heat. And actually this burger that I made them ahead of time. It's got some fun flavors in it too. It's got a little Worcestershire sauce. It's got a little ketchup. It's got a little garlic powder, onion powder, some good stuff. So you can check out beeftips.com for that, the burger recipe. Then I'm gonna top with some sweet onion. So I took 1 large sweet onion, sliced it and put that on top. And a tablespoon of butter. Because it's Wisconsin and we're gonna make a burger foil packet. So we're gonna put that right on top. Then pull up the sides of your foil. Like this. I like doing just a double fold, flatten the sides, double fold on the end, double fold on this end. Leave a little space in there. Don't leave a little air in there because we really want this to steam. You want that nice and tight. Keep that air in there. So, nice medium to low grill, about 20-25 minutes. You could actually open them up, see if your burger's done. Test it with a thermometer if needed. I'll grab a couple off. Over the campfire, a nice medium heat, medium-low heat, same amount of time. I actually did these on my gas grill for about 20 minutes. Watch out for that steam when you're opening. Let it release on the ends. Ooh, there we go. You can finish with a little more salt and pepper if you like. Definitely don't have to, but that is our hamburger foil pack meal, complete meal. Dishes are super easy. Whoever's in charge of dishes at your house, just throw the foil away. Beeftips.com is the Wisconsin Beef Council website. Click on As Seen on TV. You'll find this recipe plus a lot of other super delicious foil pack recipes.